Two men, same age, same diagnosis. But one still hikes with his grandkids, and the other can't get out of bed without help. Meet Walter and Samuel, both 72, both retired electricians, both diagnosed with early signs of age-related muscle loss and joint stiffness 2 years ago. But today, their paths couldn't be more different. Walter lives in a small town outside Oregon. He's up before 7, brewing herbal tea and walking his golden retriever Max around the park. He spends his afternoons gardening or helping his daughter repair things around the house. He still carries heavy bags of mulch like a man 20 years younger. Samuel, on the other hand, spends most mornings in bed, waiting for his back to loosen up. He takes 2 painkillers, a blood pressure med, and a sleeping pill daily. Walking up the stairs now feels like lifting bricks. He mostly watches TV and rarely joins family outings anymore, not because he doesn't want to, but because it hurts too much to keep up. They both heard the same words from their doctor. "You're just getting older." Samuel accepted it. "Just give me something to dull the pain," he said. Walter? He asked a different question. What's really causing this? And is there a way to slow it down naturally? That one question changed everything. Here's what most doctors don't say. It's not just age. It's inflammation, mineral loss, and hormonal decline, especially at night when your body should be rebuilding. Picture this. Your muscles are like bricks, but over time your body runs out of mortar, the nutrients and signals that rebuild strength while you sleep. And when you snack on sugary or processed foods late at night, you trigger blood sugar spikes that block recovery and speed up aging. But what if a simple bedtime snack could reverse that trend? Walter discovered one. Here's what Walter changed and what made all the difference. First, he added a bedtime snack rich in collagen and glycine. Each night before bed, Walter sips unsweetened bone broth or has a scoop of collagen protein in chamomile tea. Why? Collagen supports joint repair and skin elasticity. Glycine calms the nervous system, promoting deep sleep and muscle restoration. Here's a bonus tip. If you're plant-based, try a spoonful of pumpkin seed butter paired with a few slices of avocado. Together, they offer magnesium, healthy fats, and tryptophan, which help the body relax and rebuild overnight. Second, he started 10-minute resistance routines, no gym needed. Twice a day, Walter spends just 10 minutes doing light strength exercises with bands or a chair. This sends a build muscle signal to his body, even in his 70s. No pain, no pressure, just gentle, consistent movement. Third, he ditched the sugar traps, especially at night. Walter swapped nighttime crackers and cereal for whole foods. He learned to read labels and avoid artificial sweeteners that cause nighttime inflammation. After just 30 days of consistent effort, Walter's knees stopped aching, his sleep deepened, and his skin, believe it or not, looked smoother. He didn't just feel younger, he looked it too. Want the full 30-day plan Walter used? It's inside our Stronger Joints After 50 program, designed for real seniors with real results. Walter just returned from a 3-mile trail walk with his grandkids. Samuel missed his grandson's birthday again. Same age, same diagnosis, different choices. The good news is, you still have a choice too. Rebuild your strength, improve your sleep, reverse visible signs of aging naturally. You can begin with the Stronger Joints After 50 plan. It's step-by-step, senior-friendly, and grounded in real root-cause health strategies. And if you want to discover a simple daily habit that helps seniors rebuild muscle fast, watch the next video showing on your screen now. You'll be surprised how easy it actually is. Before you go, tell us in the comments, what's one bedtime habit you'd like to change for your health?